Training AI for money sounds kind of sketchy, but it can be legit. In this video, I'm going to review Handshake AI, a platform that claims you could train AI as a highly educated student directly for payment. I'm going to review how payments usually work and the main things to watch out for. Quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice, not legal advice, and there's no guarantee you'll be accepted or hired. Here's a simple explanation. Handshake AI is connected to the Handshake platform, and it's designed to recruit qualified people to help improve AI outputs. This usually means you're doing judgment-based work, reviewing, rating, correcting, or creating higher quality responses in a specific subject area. This is not an anyone can join side hustle. Most of the time it's meant for people with strong credentials, like master's or PhD students, researchers, or people with deep expertise in the topic. Now let's talk about expectations. Projects are usually structured. You either log hours or complete assigned tasks, and the work is reviewed for quality. So the big thing to understand is you're getting paid for accuracy and consistency, not for speed running tasks. Next is pay. If Handshake AI posts rates or ranges on the official page, that's the best case because it's transparent. If you don't see any pay listed publicly, then don't trust random claims online until you see a rate inside your actual offer or contract. Before you sign up for anything, here are the 3 legitimacy checks I recommend. These keep you from being tricked by copycat sites for fake AI job pages. First, domain and identity. Make sure you're on the real company website, not a lookalike. Scroll to the bottom and check that they have real legal pages like terms and privacy, plus a normal company footprint like about, careers, or contact. Second, payment method. Legit programs typically pay through standard contractor methods, not pay us first, not crypto only, and not DM a telegram for payroll. If you see a known contractor platform used for payouts, that's usually a good sign. Third, complaints and reputation. This part needs context. The regular Handshake platform has its own reviews, and those complaints may not perfectly match the AI program, but the pattern still matters. If you see consistent issues around billing, support, or account problems, that's something to factor in. And even if the opportunity is real, no system is perfect, so protect yourself like a contractor. Keep track of the hours you work, save your offer or agreements, and keep proof of submissions or confirmations. Also, expect quality standards. In these programs, low-effort work can get flagged. If they want your judgment and you submit copied or automated answers, you could lose access or not get paid for that batch depending on the rules, so treat it like real work. So here's the takeaway. Handshake AI looks like a legitimate opportunity for qualified people, but it's not guaranteed money and it's not effortless. Verify the site, confirm the payment method is standard, and protect yourself with documentation. If you want, comment what topic you're looking to apply for, and I can give you the exact application steps and what to prepare before applying. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, subscribe to Howard's How To's for more simple tutorials and review videos just like this.